Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to change note color on Instagram. So first thing that you will do is open the Instagram application into your device, and from here just go to the top right corner of the screen or the message icon. And from here guys, just simply tap on drop a thought. So guys, I'm gonna show you multiple words in order for you to change the color. So for the first one is taste, and tap on share. And as you can see, you'll be able to change the color into blue. And now guys, another option that you have is by just simply providing a kiss emoji. So just simply tap on your emoticons down below over here, and simply go to your emoticon and just simply provide a keys emoji and tap on share, and from here you'll be able to change the color as well. And another one is the confetti emoji. So just simply go to your emoticons again and just simply provide a confetti emoji and tap on share, and from there you should be able to have the party effect. And guys, you can also go for words like Sabrina, espresso, and nonsense. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.